This is the Carrie Martin, and she making rice, mushrooms, rice, and mushrooms, and carrots on the sides, and
What are you gonna make for dinner?
and she making eggs.
Who's
and,
she?
Carrie Martin.
Carrie Martin?
Yeah.
Okay, what are you gonna make?
And she have sausage in it. That's sausage. That's it. She has.
Okay, what are you gonna make?
She has rice, raisins, corn, broccoli. That's it.
That's it?
That's
What are you gonna make for dessert?
Carrots,
For dessert?
mushrooms, no. Sandwiches, carrots, and mushrooms. Again. Pizza. That's it.
That's it? What do you want me to make you?
I'm not done.
Oh, okay.
And the corn cakes, pizza.